Welcome back to the channel again. This is Isan Kose from Kose Trading, and today we're gonna do another deassembling process and also repair guide. And today we got a lovely and really nice looking product from Bang Olufsen. It's a Beosound 3. It's manufacturing between 2006 and 2009. It's nearly over 10 years old, and it's designed by the well-known designer David Lewis. The cabinet is made in aluminium, and it's weigh around 2.5 kilo, and it also has its own SD slot reader where you can store your own MP3 files and directly put them into your Beosound 3 and load them up. The accessories was they only got one accessories was a wall bracket where you can hang the Beosound 3 up into the wall, or you can carry around like the handlebar. It's portable. It has a rechargeable battery inside. And yes, and today we're gonna take all the parts out from it. And there is also a very common issue with the Beosound 3. The control panel, touch panel, is getting defective over the years, so it can really recognize the touch buttons onto the board itself. I've tried to repair it myself with taking the top touch bar off and try to heat it up so we could take the top touch bar up and see if we can repair it. I think I have deassembled over 5 or 6 touch bars. I could only manage to repair one of them. So the process was to take a heat gun and heat the top plate and remove it from the PCB board under this part. So the next step was to clean it up and re-glue it again, and I only managed to do it one time out of 6 or 5. So it's not a good, I don't know if it was the right process or method to do it, but if there any guy or any method you have been using to repair the touch bar, I'm very interested to get in contact with you, or into the comment bar, make a comment if you have any solution for that problem. So I think I'm gonna power it up and see if we can get any recognition for the touch buttons for the top bar of a Beosound 3. So let's try. I have the plug, so let's try to plug it in and see if we can get any. And here is the button, and it's a Beosound 3, type number 2723. And let's try to plug it in. See, it's blinking. And let's try to get any music. Let's try to push. Oh. So normally you can, oh, so the system is working perfectly beside the touch bar functionality. Normally you can, like a wheel, turn up and down, but it's not working. You need to, it's just changing channel, so it's not working and you can just push it here, then turn it down. So it's not fully functional. It's not working. So yeah, let's try to shut it down again. As you can see, it's not working properly. It's just changing stations and try to find a frequency. So so let's unplug it and try to deassemble the whole process, the whole Beosound 3. So first thing we need to do, safety first. And let's try to remove the SD card reader first and put it here. And we need to unscrew the 4 buttons screw at the bottom chassis. So let's do that. And also the Beosound 3 is a very nice speaker. I love the design, slim design, and also it's portable and it's in an aluminium finish. And also is made by David Lewis, so it's very nice speaker. But the down advantage with this portable radio MP3 player is the touch bar is getting defective. So here is the power supply board. We need to remove the ground and remove the battery cable, the signals, and here we go. Here we go. Here we have the buttons, the power board for the Beosound 3. I'm gonna put that aside. So next step is to remove the battery. We need to remove the locking mechanism and put the screws here. And what they have done, B&O, they have made a strap to the battery. So just pull it out, and here's the battery. It's rechargeable battery from a Bang Olufsen, but I think this is completely dead. You need to you can still order it from another supplier, but we can also help you to find a new one if you're interested. Put it aside. So next step is to remove the front panel. So the method is to remove there are some click latches we need to remove to be able to take the front grill off. So let's try to remove the clips here. Here we go. There's latches here underneath here. So we just need to pull up. Let's try. And we need to pull it to us. Here we go. Here is the front grille. As you can see, here is the woofer for the Beosound 3. And just need to continue to remove all the screws. There are some screws we need to remove. So we're gonna do that. So we have accomplished to remove all the screws from the chassis, the aluminum chassis. And I think we just can pull it out. Let's try. No, it's still stuck. So let's try to remove the, I think we can take it off some way. Let's also try to remove the screw. we go. And we can also, let's try. I think we need to remove this one because we can't pull it out because of this one. So let's try to remove this one. There we go. It's coming out. There's no cable stuck, so there's some, okay. Okay, there are some hinges. So we need to, let's see what we're gonna do. The hinges is stuck here. Here we go. And here is the touch bar for the Beosound 3. I'm gonna put that aside. So we need to remove the tuner, and we also need to remove the front display, LED display, and also the woofer. So we need to find a way why this is got stuck here. Okay, I can see that. We need to remove also the handlebar. So let's do that. So here's the last screw from the handlebar, and we can take it out here. Here we go. Here's the handlebar with the hinges. And I think we can pull it out right now. And here we go. Here is the aluminum chassis. It's a solid block. So I'm gonna put that aside. So next step, the woofer. Let's do that. And here is the last screw for the woofer, and let's try to remove it. Here we go. And here is the woofer for the Beosound 3. I'll put that aside. So next step is to remove the front display. And the last screw is out, and let's try to lift it up. Here is the, just also need to remove the cable from the tuner. And here is the display part. I think also this is the main board. I'm gonna put that aside. So next step will be to remove the antenna. Let's try to see how we're gonna go. The antenna is just, here we go. Here we have the antenna with the tuner board on top, and also the motor to pulling up the gearing mechanism to release the antenna. So yeah, I'm gonna put that aside. So I think that's it. I think also this is a close there's nothing inside inside here. Let's also try to remove the battery cover. And here is the battery cover. And yeah, this one will be for the... Yes. Should we also remove all these screws? Yeah, let's try to do it. So I'm gonna speed up the process. The last screw is out. Yes, all the parts is here. So we managed to remove all the parts and deassemble all the parts from Beosound 3. So I'm gonna take all the parts in here and show what it is. This is the antenna with the tuner board, motor, and the antenna. It's fully functional, it's working. And the antenna is actually holding by these two plastic brackets. The woofer, the Beosound 3 has no tweeter or not at all, so it's only driving, the sound is only coming from this woofer. And the chassis, and the front chassis for the woofer, like that. And the damping material was inside here. And here we have the display part. Display. This is actually LED. I think also this is the main board for the Beosound 3. The battery cover for the chassis. It's supposed to look like that. The handlebar with the hinges. And also the defective touch bar. The power board and the button for the Beosound 3. The battery. It's a rechargeable battery, but all the cells, this is dead and it's not working anymore, but you can still order it from another supplier. We can also help you to find the battery if you're interested. Just leave a comment or send us a message. And the last one is the aluminium cabinet, aluminium house for the Beosound 3. So actually, if your Beosound 3 is antenna is broken, or does need a new woofer, or need a new display, it's actually very easy to get inside and change the parts. Bang Olufsen had made it's very easy to maintain and replacement all the parts, beside the defective the touch bar. The touch bar is very it's very hard to repair. You need to heat it up here, this part, and you need to remove it like that. So you can do it, but it's not on my spot to do it. But I think I don't know what to do, but this one will not be for sale. All the parts you see here is for sale, besides the defective touch bar and the battery is not for sale. Thank you for watching again, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel, and also give the video a like button. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you. Have a nice day.